Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you a recipe for a sweet German bread named Hefezopf. Germans love this moist and chewy yeast bread for breakfast, spread with butter or with butter and jam. It is also very popular to have it at 4 p.m. at the traditional German coffee hour. To start the recipe, soak the raisins in water or apple cider. Then heat the milk to lukewarm and dissolve the yeast and the sugar in it. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and allow to sit for 10 minutes. Add the almond extract and the egg and whisk briefly. Add the flour to a stand mixer bowl. Then pour the milk mixture to the flour, add the soft butter and the salt. If you like raisins, add them while kneading. Knead everything briefly to a soft dough. Make sure you don't over-knead it. Now cover again with a kitchen towel and let rise for 2 hours or until the dough has doubled in size. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Remove the dough from the bowl and knead briefly. Then braid the dough. Below this video is a link to our website where you will find several videos about the different ways to braid the bread dough. Now whisk the egg with sugar and salt. This prevents the egg from turning too dark while baking. Brush the braided bread with the egg wash and sprinkle with slivered almonds. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. This sweet yeast bread will stay moist for several days. And it is not only great for breakfast or snacks, but will make a great addition to your next outdoor trip. Guten Appetit!